Hey everyone, ever wondered which cars are truly made in the USA? It's a bit more complex than you might think, but let's break it down in a simple, fun way. First up, we have the original American giants, Ford, General Motors, which makes brands like Chevrolet, GMC, and Cadillac, and Stellantis, the company behind Jeep, Ram, Chrysler, and Dodge. These companies have deep roots and huge manufacturing footprints right here in the US. But it's not just the old guard. Newer, innovative companies like Tesla, with their electric vehicles, and emerging players like Rivian and Lucid, are also building their groundbreaking cars and trucks right here in the States. And here's a surprising twist. Many foreign-owned car companies also have massive factories in the US. Think Toyota, Honda, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Hyundai, Kia, Nissan, Subaru, and even Volkswagen. They employ thousands of American workers and contribute significantly to the US economy by manufacturing vehicles on American soil. So, how can you tell if a car is truly American-made? While complex, generally, a high percentage of parts originating from the US and final assembly here counts. Look for information like the VIN, which often tells you where the vehicle was assembled. So, whether you're buying from a long-standing American brand or a global company with US operations, there are plenty of fantastic vehicles rolling off assembly lines right here in the USA. Knowing this helps you make informed choices. Subscribe for more fun facts.